All right, boys and girls. At first, I just had a plan to make this into a crazy Autobahn craziness video for 5 minutes, but as you can hear, my gearbox is not all good, so we gotta get into sixth. And for 5 minutes from now on, we're gonna go balls to the wall. And I'm gonna call this Autobahn Stories Live from the Autobahn. Presented by me, and we're in sixth. I'm not going to change any gears, so we can't maybe go ham, but I'm going to try to go as fast as I can for 5 minutes. So we're already been in it for 22 seconds. Anyway, I wanted to clear some misconceptions about the Autobahn, and the first one that came to my mind is that no, not everybody is going nuts. Most people are actually driving calmly because the fuel consumption at these speeds is noticeably more. So that's the first misconception if that people like very lightly give in stories that in Germany there's no speed limits, and then people could falsely guess that everybody is going to the balls to the wall. No, that white Ford is going 140 or 30. We're doing 200 kilometers per hour. Second misconception, excellent lane discipline. Well, Helmut and Karin do not give a shit if they want to pull in front of you. They will do it. So obviously Germans are used to driving on the Autobahn, so their lane discipline is better than maybe people elsewhere, but still Helmut and Karin do not overly worry when they want to pull to the left, just that they could sustain their 120 if somebody is doing 110 in front of them. So you gotta watch out really. But now we have a nice opening, and let's hope Honda doesn't blow up. We're 2 minutes in. So those are the two main misconceptions I find that people could easily have. Obviously everybody who's been to Germany, they know that, most people drive like normal people, not like me, trying to die here. I mean, we're squeezing the living shit out of this little Honda. 240, that's the fastest I've ever been in this car. I'm not gonna let it off because it's a little hill. Let the Honda breathe a little. Maybe go into second lane. But yeah, generally, I mean, in busy times, Autobahn is just like any other road, really. You'll be in a traffic jam, crowded, and you won't be having any fun. But luckily, it seems that we found a little opening where we can go ham. So we got 2 minutes of ham left still. As you can see, there's a hauler in the second lane, so if they want to pass by someone, they will do it. But if the road is more of clearish, then it's fine. Like now, I don't know, we just lucked out because all the way here, we're like hour and 40, 200 kilometers outside of Berlin. You can see, I was driving in traffic all the time. Yeah, we're doing 240 indicated. OBD says 233. That's pretty fast for the little Honda. But now we're in traffic, so you gotta watch out for all the Karins and Helmuts. This is not the most safest place to be. Any car can just pull to the left. You never know. And that's 120, okay. And I'm not gonna take it out of gear. I would slow down with gears, but something's wrong with the gearbox of this car. So let's stop it. We have 1 minute of craziness left. So when I arrived to Germany, I promised myself that I will have 5 minutes of insanity. So we just had 4 in a row, and I'm gonna claim that 5th minute out also. So I suppose we're gonna continue from there. But one other misconception some people may have is that you won't be fined in Germany. You're gonna get fined if you're speeding in a limited zone. We were cruising through here doing 125, so I would get fined. but unlimited sign again. I'm not gonna change gears because we just really have only one gear, and we're gonna go for it. Let's start the minute again. So yeah, I guess I generally covered everything what I have at the moment. Those are like the main things that I find maybe misconceived about the Autobahn. People, yeah, generally it's a bit better than elsewhere, but it's not some magic land. Don't get it twisted. It's not as bad as US, definitely, that someone's just blocking the left lane. People are not doing that, but they're not always following their mirrors to a T. I'm sure I'm gonna surprise someone here and there's traffic. Let's see. I think, yeah, we can sustain going 200 through this traffic. Definitely stay safe in Germany when you're driving. That's our 5 minutes up in a second here. Watch out. Okay, this person is really good. It's one of the better people, and it's actually a Polish person. Let's give it a little dab of run. You see, perfect example. You should see I'm coming up to you from your mirrors, and this guy just he's just barely going faster, and he doesn't give a fuck. Wilhelm here, he gave 0 fucks, and he's not coming out of my way. So just for the purpose of video, I usually don't do this. I'll flash him. Get the fuck out of the way, Wilhelm. No offense to anyone, but you see, Wilhelm, yeah, he signaled to me like he like I did him wrong by flashing. But this is an unrestricted zone, so get the fuck out of the way. That was a Karin or Grünhilda. Again, no offense to anyone. I'm just, you know, trying to make it a bit humorous. Okay, this is our last run, and then I'm gonna cruise to Berlin. Let's see how fast we can go still. This car pulled in front, and you see they're not going faster than the middle lane. It's just chilling in front of us. Otherwise the road would be so fucking clear. Get out of the way, Belgian person. Okay, this is our last run. Let's see what the little Honda can do, and then give little Honda some rest. OBD says 210 now. OBD says 220. 227, 229, 230. 231. And see, Wilhelm just pulled in front of me, and I don't have gears. Okay, this Wilhelm went out of our way. Let's see what's behind the next bump, and then we're done. Because Wilhelms, they take no prisoners, and last thing I want to do is end up in an accident. But I guess this service station is a suitable end to our madness. I already extended it 2 minutes over the limit, but now we're just gonna go back to the regular cruising speed of little Honda, which is about 155 indicated, and continue on from there. I got another hour and 40 to go to Berlin, so I guess yeah, this is a little short live video about the Autobahn and what I've noticed when driving the cars home from here. I've bought 1 car from Germany, 3 from England, and I've driven them all home. And yeah, this is me pulling this video together and signing out from here. So if you watched, then thanks for watching, and peace. There will be a long vlog series about this whole trip, but at the moment I'll just drive to Berlin. Bye.